Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the Euro Yen, we are at another Fibonacci level, and we are expecting that this could be a wave B. So all these Fibonacci levels, we need to pay attention for either a break or structure to the downside, proving the wave B is over, or if it makes a significant lower high at a Fibonacci level, that potentially could tell us that the trend is over also. It hasn't done either of those yet, and there is a possibility that it goes up and takes out the previous high before it decides to do so. So as of right now, there is definitely still no proof that it's going down in any significant way. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, because of the impulsive move down and the breaker structure on the 1 hour, I was definitely thinking this move up could possibly be a correction. So if we do get a lower high, with Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the downside, a breaker structure would be nice to help prove that this is either an A, a B, and a C like this, or whether it's a possible wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3. None of that is going to matter if we do not get a breaker structure down at a Fibonacci level. This little push down that we're getting right now doesn't tell me anything at all because this could easily just go up and make a higher low and just keep on going up. So patience definitely pays in these markets, that's for sure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.